Hello and welcome. I'm Fabio Guerrini, Product Manager for Mapei's Sealing and Bonding line. Today I would like to present Mapei FR, a neutral silicone sealant for firebrake joints. Roughly clean the joint with a wire brush to remove any loose or detached material. Then clean the joint thoroughly with compressed air to remove all traces of dust and loose material. Insert Mapefoam closed-cell polyethylene filler cord along the bottom of the joint to regulate the depth of sealant applied according to the width of the joint. You can see the correct proportion between joint width and sealant depth in the table illustrated here on the screen. Insert the 600 milliliter soft cartridge into a Mapei Gun 600 Pro or a Mapei Gun 600 Pro electric sealant gun. Cut the upper end of the cartridge. Insert the extrusion nozzle supplied with the product and screw on and tighten the collar of the gun. Extrude the sealant into the joint, taking care not to entrain air into the joint or to apply too much sealant. Smooth the surface of the sealant while still fresh with a trowel sprayed with a little ultra-care smooth silicone for joints in building materials. If masking tape was applied along the sides of the joint, remove it immediately after smoothing the sealant. Mapei FR is a neutral silicone sealant with European certification for a fire resistance of up to 240 minutes on walls and of up to 180 minutes in floors, depending on the configuration of the joint. Mapei FR is particularly recommended for sealing joints in walls and floors, including those subject to compressive movements and elongation of up to 20% of the width of the joint.